Ministry of Defense, in collaboration with Arms and Ammunition Management Validation System and the European Union, had a two-day international workshop on states reporting at the Senegambia Beach Hotel in Kololi. This workshop unites the Gambia, Ghana, Liberia, alongside international and regional organizations to discuss state reporting requirements on the arms control, frameworks, and the role of weapons and ammunition management tools in facilitating this report, on whose objective includes informing states on current and future reporting requirements, examine national practices and challenges, presenting tools for management assessments, and reflecting on synergies and areas for cooperation in reporting. The coordinator for Geneva International Center for Humanitarian Demining, Mr. Nadim Amir, discloses how the Gambia turns into the Trade Arms Treaty and had submitted its report for the first time.
As you know, the Gambia just joined the Arms Trade Treaty and is doing a lot of work now to submit the first report. These reports are very important for transparency, information sharing, and through these reports we can, as my colleague said as well, we can identify the challenges and the gaps to get the support and also hopefully the needed financial support from international partners, international organizations to help the Gambia improve their arms and ammunition management system for safety and the security of everyone in the Gambia.
Madam Rahib Bitedabo, Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Defense, highlights how reporting is significant into international instruments that the Gambia is part of.
Now, reporting is very key to these international instruments that we are part of. We have signed many, if not all, disarmament treaties and conventions. And then every year, the country, or every other year, the country is expected to report on our importation of arms, on our exportation of arms, etc. Now, to do this, we need capacity. This is an international workshop. We have some representation from Liberia as well as Ghana. So they're here to work with us as a region so that at least we can solve our common problems together when it comes to reporting to the in the frameworks that we have in terms of instruments.
The technical advisor for Geneva International Center for Humanitarian Demining, Angelo Bernard, laments some of their expectations at the end of this workshop.
To improve their status and what they are doing through this global framework. But the idea is more to see where we can have some gaps and support them to put everything in place.
In the last 30 years, the international community has established various instruments and frameworks aimed at enhancing arms and ammunition controls to mitigate illegal trade. Key instruments include UN Programme of Action Small Arms, the UN Firearms Protocol, the Arms Trade Treaty, and the Global Framework for Conventional Ammunition Management. While these instruments often impose reporting obligations on states, the varying annual requirements can pose challenges for effective participation. For Dynamic Gambia TV, I am Janke Kujabi reporting.